Welcome to Niagara-on-the-Lake, where small-town charm meets world-class wine country. It's also home to Settlers Landing by Blythwood Homes. Our first stop, the Junction. Known for its warm atmospure, great breakfast, and coffee flights you'll want to sip and savor. Next, Ravine Vineyard. Fresh air, vineyard views, and a glass of wine in hand. Cheers to the good life in Niagara. A short drive away, you'll find the Niagara Lavender Farm. The perfect backdrop for a peaceful walk and a pop of color for your day. Inside, the lavender shop is full of fragrant finds, from essential oils to handmade soaps. And yes, your four-legged friends are welcome too. Next stop, Between the Lines Winery. Small, authentic, and laid back. It's a local favorite for tastings and events in a beautiful country setting. In Old Town, you can visit the Irish Heart Pub for iconic Irish pub atmosphere and amazing local brews, live music included. Then there's Wayne Gretzky Estates, part winery, part distillery, part all-seasons playground. From skating in winter to summer patios to cocktail making classes, it's a must-visit for wine lovers and hockey fans alike. With all of this just minutes from Settlers Landing, you'll have endless ways to make every day memorable. Here, you can choose from a charming bungalow or a spacious two-story home and start your own Niagara-on-the-Lake story. Call 905-329-9223 to speak to Alexa Mills and book your private tour today.